All right, today I have the Lego Disney Castle for the 100th anniversary. All right, check it out. These are all the minifigures that comes with it. Snow White, Prince Florian, Cinderella, Prince Charming, Princess Tiana, Prince Naveen, Rapunzel, and Flynn Rider. And look at the back. The back is opened up. Inside, there's all these, you can see each room. All right, so I'm going to open this up to see how many bags and instructions come with it. All right, so let's check this out. It has over 4,000 pieces too. 4,837 pieces. Now here's all the bags. Look at all of them. All right, let's see how many there are. 24 I see, the highest. Look at all those bags. All right, so this just shows you how big this thing is. All right, now there's a little box inside. Let's get that out too. All right, so there's all the boxes, bags. Slide them over for now. We'll open this up, see what's in here. More bags. All right, so look at that. Here's the instruction booklet. It's pretty thick. It's about almost an inch thick. And then in here, there's even more bags. They're all numbered too. This looks like it's for the base. See all these? See how many are in here? Look at all these bags. All right, so that just shows you how many bags this actually has. All right, so here it is. And this is 4,000 pieces. A little mess on the table still. But yeah, so this is for the Disney Castle. We're going to be building this in the next couple days, next week or two, considering how much there actually is. But this is what the final product will look like. So that was just to show all the pieces that are inside. There's two different sections, two separate boxes with all the pieces here. So many different bags. All right, there it is. That is all the pieces, and this is the instructions here. I'll open it up. So let me cut it open. Look at the books. Three fat books. Book 3, book 2, book 1, they look the same picture. Just show you how detailed it is. Very detailed. It's amazing how they make it look. And then this is a little instruction, little details about like the castle. It explains like how they made it and everything. Very cool. All right, so that's the castle. Before it's even started building all the extra pieces, all the bags everywhere are a mess. I put a lot back in here too. This thing is full. All right, so that's all for this video.